From Vintage Makeovers with Melanie, this is blending paint. Today we're going to be using Debbie's Design Diaries Bohemian Blue, Farm Fresh, and Vintage Linen. We're going to start off by adding some Bohemian Blue. Now let's go ahead and add in some Farm Fresh. And for our last color, we're going to add in some beadboard. We're going to start blending this color down to make this ombre effect blend nicely. Water is very important when blending color. It helps to make your colors blend together, reactivate your paint, so you get a nice smooth finish. And there we have it. Thank you guys for watching. This is Melanie, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you guys soon.